When you step into a leadership role in forestry, your decisions don't happen on paper. They happen on the ground, in real working forests with real people and real machines. And the best leaders don't just know the work, they felt it. That's where the Forest Machine Management Microcredential makes all the difference. This program is built on a simple truth. The more a manager knows about the machines, the better they can manage. It's designed to help future managers truly understand the challenges loggers face every day. So when you're making decisions in the field, you're informed, confident, and empathetic. The program is grounded in 4 interconnected foundations. Theoretical knowledge gives students a deep understanding of how modern harvesting systems work, from machine mechanics and hydraulics to people management and worker safety. It's about seeing how all the pieces fit together, so the plans you make are realistic, not just ideal. That understanding comes alive in the simulator lab, where students work hands-on with real harvesting scenarios, operating machines, planning units, solving problems in an immersive, low-stakes environment that builds intuition and sharpens decision-making. Woven throughout is equipment maintenance and repair. From replacing chains and building hydraulic hoses to inspecting for damage and adjusting brakes, students get their hands on the equipment, building the comfort and credibility that comes from truly understanding what downtime costs and why it happens. And anchoring it all is equipment operation, climbing into real machines alongside experienced operators, feeling the vibration, the movement, the weight of the work, something no textbook and no simulator can fully replicate. Together, these foundations produce graduates who don't just manage operations, they understand them. They can step onto a job site and say, "I know what you're up against," and mean it. That understanding leads to better communication, stronger relationships, and smarter decisions that balance operational goals with the realities loggers face every day. That's the Forest Machine Management Microcredential. Building managers who truly know the work.